Hello everybody. Today let's do some spelling activities. Activity 1. Find the smaller word in each of these words. Question A. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. The clue is a number. The answer is 1. O-N-E 1. Question B. Message. M-E-S-S-A-G-E. Message. The clue given is a herb. The answer is sage. S-A-G-E. Sage. Question C. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. The clue given is you hear with it. The answer is ear. E-A-R. Ear. Question D. Bullet. B-U-L-L-E-T. Bullet. The clue given here is a male cow. The answer is bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. Question E. Started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Started. The clue given is a small cake. The answer is tart. T-A-R-T. Tart. Question F. Spear. S-P-E-A-R. Spear. The clue given is a fruit. The answer is pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Question G. Wanted. W-A-N-T-E-D. Wanted. The clue given here is an insect. The answer is ant. A-N-T. Ant. Question H. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. The hint given here is covering of the head. The answer is hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Question I. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. The clue given is opposite of left. The answer is right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Question J. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. The clue given here is warmth. W-A-R-M-T-H. The answer is heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Activity number 2. Opposites. Write each word beside its opposite. Let's look into the word box. Escape. E-S-C-A-P-E. Escape. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Busy. B-U-S-Y. Busy. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange. True. T-R-U-E. True. Simple. S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple. Question A. Dwarf. D-W-A-R-F. Dwarf. The answer is giant. Giant, giant. Question B. Sink. Sink, sink. The answer is float. Float, float. Question C. False. False, false. The answer is true. True, true. Question D. Complex. Complex, complex. The answer is simple. Simple, simple. Question E. Question. Question, question. The opposite is answer. Answer, answer. Question F. Idle. Idle. The opposite of idle is busy. Busy, busy. Question G. Full. Full, full. The answer is empty. Empty, empty. Question H. Capture. Capture, capture. The answer is escape. Escape. Thank you for watching.